Oh, hi, baby doll. I brought you some slime to play with. Oh, hi, Snug Babe. I bought you an LOL confetti pop surprise, and you're on it. Oh my gosh, baby doll, thank you so much. Here's your slime that you requested. And let's open up this LOL doll. Look, that's me on there. I'm so excited. And I want to play with this ooey gooey slime too. So let's open up the doll and then play with some ooey gooey slime. Oh my gosh, look at how slimy this is. It is so gooey and ooey. Ah, don't drop it on me. Oh my gosh, it's on me, this slime. Okay, let's open up our confetti pop doll. I can't wait to see what's inside. Hopefully it's not a duplicate. Is it a new one? It says rock the beat. So this is probably musical. There's a little microphone on there with music notes. Okay, so we're gonna confetti pop them. So exciting.
Oh, why is there confetti on here?
There's already confetti on there already. Peel off the sticker. Should we pop it open first and open up the doll, or should we open up the accessories?
Let's pop it first.
Confetti pop! Oh my god!
I always get this color. Let's see. Somebody from the dance club. Let's not open the
We're not
doll.
gonna open it yet.
Let's see. Because we want it.
Up.
Ooh, a yellow bottle.
And it's a yellow bottle. Look at this cute little yellow bottle. We haven't gotten any yellow bottles with a black. With a black little cozy on it.
Coffee mug.
Okay, so what do we have here? Oh, it says baby on it. How cute is this shirt? And then we peel this one open. And there's these cool sunglasses. Oh my gosh, they're a little pink inside. And whoa, we have 3 pairs of shoes. That must have been a mistake. Look at that. There's 3 pairs of shoes in there. How crazy is that? Or maybe she has 3 feet. We'll see. Does our LOL doll have 3 feet?
We don't know.
Oh my gosh, look at how cute she is. And she's wearing little fishnet stockings. So this is Grunge Girl. I don't know why she doesn't have 3 feet, but
Maybe she has a hand.
We could put it on her hand. It's like a little extra mitten. It must have been a little mistake. Remember when we got 2 LOL purses from our babies? Sometimes they do that. We've never gotten 2 LOL dolls. That would be fun if we got that. Like a mistake where they sent us 2 dolls.
Well, that would be funner.
How cute is this baby? So this is Grunge Girl. And she's going to go do a little slime dunk. We're going to dip her in the slime because she's grunge. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Look at the slime. Ah! Do you think Grunge Girl cries or spits or does a mystery? Or maybe she tinkles. Slimy Grunge Girl. Do you like the slime?
Oh no, it got all over the confetti.
Oh no. I love this Grunge Girl. Okay, so let's get our water and then check out what she does. Okay, now she's going for a dip in her little pool. Let's see what she does. Oh my gosh, are we going for a swim? I want to go for a swim too. Okay, let's see.
Why is there slime in there?
Oh my gosh, she pees. We need to put her in the toilet if she pees.
She pooped.
Oh my gosh, what is that in our toilet? Who's put slime in our toilet?
It's poop.
It's poop. Oh my goodness, there's slime in our toilet. You know who must have did it? Spice must have did it. Our baby Spice must have been tricking us. I don't know where baby Spice is either, but she's played the same trick on me. Baby Spice. Don't do that. She put slime in my diaper. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And tell me which one of your Series 3 Wave 2 LOLs you hope to get. And be sure to stay tuned for my very big giveaway. Thanks for watching, and bye now.